Hey folks, Todd Pigott, ZINC Financial. Welcome to Friday. Hope you guys are looking forward to a great weekend. So, got four of these questions, just this week. Todd, what mistakes should the novice investor avoid? Two big mistakes. We see it over and over again. We try to prevent this during our underwriting process, but at the end of the day, it's too large a mistake. Well, number one is experience. You should have some type of experience in this business, number one, to even start. And then there's two mistakes after that that are repetitive. Number one, make sure you have enough operating cash on hand to cover property, insurance, upkeep on the property, as well as funding some of your rehab. If you have a control fund that's going to pay for the rehab, you still have to front some of that money yourself and then get reimbursed at a later date. So if you've got to put $50,000 down on a property and you only have 55 grand, that's not enough. You need to have 10 to 30% of the project cost in reserves in order to function. You've got to pay for stuff a little bit out of your pocket, things of that nature. Number two, the other trap we see, too large of rehabs. Over and over and over, the novice or intermediate investors get into rehabs that are too large. They get into HVAC, they get into sheathing, framing, concrete, pool, fence, etc. These are large projects, folks, not for the novice investor. We can handle that. We're experiencing all that, but you're not. It's very, very difficult to take on a pool, a major rehab, or a roofing or HVAC with ducting. These things can be very, very problematic for the novice entry-level investor. So two things. Novice, we love you guys. You're doing a great job, and I know that you're hungry, but make sure that you have enough liquidity on hand to sustain operations. You don't want to get trapped if you don't have any money. And then number two, make sure you don't take on rehabs that are simply too large for you to handle, especially with components of the rehab that are outside the scope of cosmetic, framing, concrete, footings, rebar, stuff like this. Those belong left to the experts. So those are my two tips for you. Go get it done. Have a great weekend. Thanks for watching. ZINCFinancial.com or give us a call here at the office, 559-326-2509. We'd love to help you.